Hey, hi everyone, my name is Samuel. I'm a sound engineer, and right now I'm trying to do some sound check with my choir guys, and it really hasn't. So I'm gonna be mixing. I'm doing a lot of stuff. Hey, hi. Our lyrics on display lady just stepped in. So let's do it. So you see that's a mixer. It's a Priscilla Studio Live 32X nice console. So let's mix. So I'm trying to fix the camera in such a way that you can be able to see what I'm doing. Fantastic. So first and foremost, I'm gonna do some. Let me flip the camera. Oh, I cannot flip the camera while I'm recording. So I'll go take another shot and flip the camera. So right now I'm flipping another camera. I flipped the camera to the other side, so I'm gonna just kind of mix. So I had some feed, a little bit of feedback on the high response side on the quiet microphones. So I'm gonna bring this ones down a little bit. Something around let's see, maybe around 5.45 kilohertz. So I'll just bring it down a little bit on the gain, a little bit around 4.6. Yeah, to get out some of those effects I don't want to hear. This high resonance frequency I don't want to hear. So I think I'm good on my levels. I'm good. I'm locked at 0 dB and also the house. So right here in this church we have kind of 32 channels. Regional 32 channels. I have auxiliary channels I use for my tape playback. I'm more of that's a choir guys and all of that. So that's a band. Okay. So we're gonna start mixing. So we're gonna wait. The rest of the band is gonna join in, and then we'll see what we can do. Thank you. So let's see. So I will get back in the next clip and we just see. Yeah. Okay. Fine. The choir is up. You can see the levels. The levels are very nice. Soprano 1, soprano 2. So we have 8 microphones. You see them over there. The choir members, they're all doing stuff. And trying to mix. You can hear? So I'm going to put a little bit of the feedback on my monitor speakers here so you can hear a little bit what I'm trying to do. Go to the DC. Yeah, good afternoon. Go to the DC group. Yeah, good afternoon.
How are you? Hi, everyone.
So you can hear from this my feedback here. So this song is a Nigerian song. It's like a song of gratitude to God and all of it. So yeah, and goes.